The Tongue Detective. Welcome to our clinic story. Today, Dr. Adam begins his first solo shift. Every patient today brings a tongue mystery. Patient 1, the traveling tongue. Geographic tongue. Red patches, white borders. They move. Mnemonic. GEO equals goes everywhere often. Management, reassurance, topical gel if burning. Patient 2, the smoker's brush. Hairy tongue. Black, hair-like papillae associated with smoking, poor hygiene, or antibiotics. Mnemonic, HT equals hygiene plus tobacco. Management, stop smoking, brush and scrape the tongue. Patient 3, the median rhomboid. Glossitis. Smooth red midline patch, commonly candida. Mnemonic, middle equals candida center. Management, antifungal therapy. Patient 4, the shiny burning tongue. Atrophic Glossitis. Smooth, glossy tongue with burning sensation. Causes: B12 deficiency, iron deficiency, Sjogren's. Mnemonic, BIS equals B12 iron, Sjogren's. Management, check blood tests and correct deficiencies. Patient 5, the giant tongue. Macroglossia. Enlarged tongue. Think Down syndrome, amyloidosis, or other causes. Mnemonic, big tongue equals big diseases. Management, treat underlying cause, surgical options if obstructive. Final case, the dangerous one. Squamous cell carcinoma, non-healing ulcer or indurated lesion on the lateral border. Mnemonic, lateral equals likely cancer. Action, urgent biopsy and referral. Summary: geographic, goes everywhere often. Hairy tongue, hygiene plus tobacco. Median rhomboid, middle equals candida center. Atrophic glossitis, B12 iron. Sjogren's. Macroglossia, big tongue equals big diseases. SCC, lateral equals likely cancer. Always biopsy suspicious lesions. Quiz: which lesion moves? Answer: geographic tongue. Black hairy surface indicates hairy tongue. Smooth, shiny, burning tongue suggests atrophic glossitis. Midline red patch indicates median rhomboid glossitis. Most suspicious site for tongue cancer? Lateral border. Thank you for listening. Stay curious until the next medical mystery.